Hello YouTube, it's Lily Edgar and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial video. I'm going to show you guys how I do my 3 most used hairstyles and also how I do Dutch braids in my hair. So yeah, I got a comment requesting that I do a tutorial for my braids because I wear them a lot in my videos. So here's that for that person that commented requesting that video. Thank you for requesting a video. If any of you have any YouTube video ideas or requests that you'd like to see from me, make sure to comment them down below because that would be awesome and I would love to do them. And let's just get into the video. So to start out with, I'm gonna do just regular Dutch braids. I do this a lot actually, and I even do this like for ballet class and I put it into a bun. Right now my hair is just how it looks like in the morning. I didn't even brush it yet. I just woke up. I sleep with my hair in a bun and I just took it out of the bun. So I'm gonna just use my brush and brush it out. This is a wet brush. There's so much hair in it, it's gross. So you can use this brush to brush your hair when it's wet and it's just like really gentle on your hair. It doesn't like snag the hair. It just really lightly pulls on it so you get less breakage, and I think that especially because my hair is really long and I also bleach my hair, this is like really helping it stay healthy and not break. I got this at TJ Maxx for like $4, so yeah. Alright, so for my Dutch braids I always do a middle part. I already have one in, but I'm just gonna remake it. There's a mirror behind the camera, so if I go and look like that a lot, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. And then I just split my hair down the middle. I don't think you can see that at all the way down. My part is never perfect at all. And then I would just brush it just in case any more tangles came up. Alright, so I'm not going to do this side, so just to keep it really nice and neat, I'm just going to tie this side off. Okay, so to start off a Dutch braid, I pick a tiny little section right out in front like this, and I split it into 3 pieces. And what you're going to do to start, here are the 3 pieces, is take this bottom piece and bring it up to the top. And now with this piece that's now on the bottom, you're going to grab more hair. And now you're going to twist this. And then you're going to repeat all those steps starting with the top one. So you're going to grab more hair on the top one, and then you're going to twist the other 2. So bring the bottom one to the middle. And then repeat again starting with the bottom. So take the bottom strand, grab more hair, and then twist the other 2 strands. And now take the new top strand, grab more hair, and then twist the bottom strands. And when you twist, you're always going to put the strand behind the new strand. So starting from the very beginning step, take the bottom strand, grab more hair, and now twist the middle strand and the top strand behind, bringing the top strand behind the middle hand. And now repeating the step from the top, take the new top strand, grab more hair, and now you're going to twist the bottom strand below the middle strand, just like that. And now you're just going to repeat. So grab hair, twist the other 2 strands. Grab hair from the top, twist the other 2 strands, and just keep repeating all the way down. Grab hair, twist. Grab hair, twist. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Honestly, with Dutch braiding, it's just really practicing it. I couldn't do it for years and years and years, and then I just kept practicing it, and now I can't. So I'm getting to the bottom and I have less hair down here, so I'm gonna split it into 2. And now with this top strand, I'm gonna grab the rest of my hair, just like that. Really make sure I got it all. And I'm gonna twist twist, and twist. And just pull it really tight so it's on the nape of my neck. And now I'm just gonna keep braiding all the way down, so just twisting the outside pieces into the middle. I just kicked my tripod. Braid, 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 braid. I use these clear elastic bands. And just tie it up. Alright, so that's the first half. Now let's do the second half of hair. I'll zoom in closer. So grab a section of hair, a little triangle right in the very center. Split it into 3 pieces. And starting with the bottom half, bring it up to the top. Grab more hair and twist. Now with this top section, grab more hair and twist the other 2 sections. Now with the new bottom section, grab more hair and twist the top section behind the middle section. Now with this top section, grab more hair and twist the bottom section behind the middle section. For Dutch braids, you always want to twist the top or the bottom section behind the middle section. That's what makes it different than a French braid. Alright, so with this bottom section, grab more hair, twist. With the top section, grab more hair, twist the bottom section behind the middle section. With the bottom section, grab more hair, twist the top section behind the middle section. I have a little bump there, that's okay. Grab more hair and twist. 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 And now I'm gonna just grab all this whole section and just start twisting. And keep braiding all the way down your hair. Right, now that I'm at the end, I'm gonna grab a hair elastic and tie it off. Alright, and these are the Dutch braids. Okay, so this is the first hairstyle, just 2 Dutch braids, really classic look. Now I'm gonna move on to the second hairstyle, so let's take this out. Okay, so for the second hairstyle, I'm going to do 2 braids going back and then braiding down and then leaving the rest of my hair out. So it's like a half up, half down hairstyle look. So for this, you're gonna have a middle part once again. Just take your finger and go from like the arch of your eyebrow and make a section going back to about the crown of your head. Oh, can you see this? Probably not. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna grab the rest of this hair and bring it around to the other side, and then we're gonna start braiding this section. So I'm getting close. Now with this, I like to do like a really tiny section to start the braid. So taking 3 sections, you're just gonna start braiding your hair. And then when you run out of hair, see all this hair is gone in this section, just keep braiding down. This is the hairstyle that I did in my 24-hour glow up challenge video, or 24-hour transformation video, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's probably my favorite hairstyle. I've worn it to like weddings and basically everywhere you can think of. I've worn it like every day of my life. It's like my favorite. I feel like it looks super like elvish from Lord of the Rings because I'm such a freaking nerd. So usually I braid it like all the way down. Sometimes I just go halfway, sometimes I go just to like here, and then I have like pigtails. Depends on how I'm feeling. I'm still braiding. My hair's just really long, you can't see. Alright, I think I'm gonna tie it off like here with just this little bit left. There we go. And now let's repeat all the steps on the other side. So, going from the arch of your eyebrow, make a section going back to the crown of your head, and put all this hair onto the other side so it's out of the way. Just kind of comb through it a little bit with your fingers, get all the tangles out, and now grabbing a really small section of hair, a little triangle, just like this. Split it into 3 sections and start Dutch braiding back. Alright, and then when you run out of hair to grab, just keep braiding down. Here's the second hairstyle. Alright, so the third and last hairstyle is basically the same as this, and then I'm just going to gather all my hair up in a ponytail. So, to do this, just make these 2 braids, repeat the steps that I just showed you. I'm not going to do it again because it's already done, but you get the idea. So, grabbing the section off from your eyebrows and Dutch braiding. You can just braid it to here, or you can leave the braids in. Usually I leave them in because I think it's cool to have them in. Alright, because my hair is still long, I have to flip my head upside down to put a ponytail in. So I'm going to do that really quick. This needs to... Alright, so now my ponytail is in. As you can see, I put it like right at the crown of my head. What I like to do for this is because the braids are kind of pushing inward and then I have these bumps, is just pull them out a little bit, just loosen them. So just grab the braid and pull on it. Then you can tighten the ponytail a little bit more. And then I just grab like a couple of bobby pins and I'll just pin the braids down to keep them going apart like that. So put a pin here and on the other side. There we go. To hide the ponytail holder, I'm just gonna grab some hair right from the back like this and just wrap it around a few times. Just like that. And then I'm gonna grab one of these clips that opens like that. I don't know what they're called. And I'm just gonna stick it right there at the base of my ponytail. Alright. There are a few things you can do to make your ponytail stay up a little bit more to get like more volume. Usually I grab like really long hairpins that I use for ballet class, just like this, and you flip it over and you're gonna stick it right into the ponytail holder and then just down like that. I don't know if you can see this at all. Just like that, and then flip your hair back. And you can see it kind of just makes it like stick up a little bit more. Sometimes I don't do that though because it tends to give me a headache, but beauty's pain. Alright, so here is the last hairstyle. Okay, so those are the 3 hairstyles that I do most often. I hope that this video was helpful and maybe inspired you to experiment with some fancy braided hairstyles now that it is springtime. I don't know why springtime would inspire you to do braids, but hey, you never know. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up if you want to, and if you want to see more of s'mores me's. And if you want to see more of me, subscribe if you want to, only if you want to. And I hope that you have a lovely day. Thank you for watching. Bye!